Peace be upon you, or Assalamu alaikum. Today's topic: how to get rid of hiccups. Getting rid of hiccups is very simple and easy. Hold your breath for a minimum of 5 and a maximum of 15 seconds. And after 5 seconds release the breath. And then your hiccups will be definitely gone. This will work definitely. I have tried it. And it worked. Please like this video. And sub to Fact channel and press the bell icon to all, to get the video in timely manner. And thanks for watching the video. Allah Hafiz.